Business insiders have spoken highly of China's role in world economy as the country is striving to realize economic development goals in 2023.
It is worth mentioning that China has become the world's economic engine. Therefore, the world economy is highly dependent on the good Chinese development. The growth process in 2023 will incorporate high-quality development, the continuation of the opening process, the deepening of the reforms, and the normalization of service, and the other actions hampered by the global context. Due to this global economic importance, China will play a fundamental role directing the world economy toward normality.
Now, because China is more focused on high quality development, it's a huge opportunity or even big opportunity for the company like Honeywell.
I think China has been developing very well in terms of high technologies. I think this is primarily because now there's a focus on moving from being the factory of the world to the innovative factory of the world, and a focus on high quality development. I'm quite confident that China will continue to produce leading edge technology.
Because with the high quality development of China, people, households will have more consumer power.
According to the National Bureau of Statistics, China's GDP grew by 5.5% year-on-year in the first half of 2023. Worldwide, this growth rate is also the highest among major economies. It has set a growth target of around 5% for 2023.